thought you were joking. Why is it not here? What?
What do you got?
Yeah. This one, man.
Oh, buddy.
Oh man, the sun.
Ba-boom.
Glasses off.
Ba-boom.
Woo!
What's up, Isaac? Long time no see, man.
True. I was on house arrest for a little bit.
Who's this guy? Mystery man. Mystery man. Hey,
Absolute Andre the Giant.
what is this guy?
Under the giant.
Who are you?
Just wait for the banana.
Oh, hey.
Come in.
Oh, let's go, guys. What's up?
Goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
This is the truck. Just doing some cooking.
Little
Yeah?
strips of bacon.
What are we making here?
Got
Delicious.
some cheesy sauce going on here. Got a little ADL cheddar.
ADL, wow.
Little ADL cheddar.
Plug in
Frying
ADL.
up some bacon.
Wow.
Strips.
That's
This is our signature chicken sauce.
chicken
The
sauce.
hot chicken.
The hot chicken.
Or you put that in the fry.
Sure do.
Watch this.
What is that?
Get in there. Take a peek at that. Magic.
Chicken's breaded.
Chicken's
Wow.
breaded. We basted in there. Chicken's
Okay.
actually called Thunder Crunch.
Thunder.
Oh, yeah, I saw that on the menu, yeah.
Yeah, Nashville hot chickens. Probably
What if
amongst
you
our
put the
top
fries in
sellers.
that, though?
Oh my god, so good.
Is it?
Fried cheese curds in that?
Is it?
Amazing.
Is it? So it can be like dipped in sauce. You're just like...
Oh yeah. So sweet.
Alright, so give us a little tour, I guess. It's pretty big in here,
It's pretty
so...
huge,
Yeah,
yeah.
so-
So here you have the fryers, the
Wow.
frying station,
That.
grill station. Then you have, coming down the line, you have your workstation here.
Okay.
It's got our point of sale, debit, credit, anything
Okay.
but a check or an IOU. So you come down the
good
line,
name.
we've got our pop fridge.
Oh,
Then we have our prep fridge. This is our bun slicing station.
bun slicing.
Bun slicing. This is our infamous poutine sauce.
Wow. So you guys make that yourself?
We do.
We make that and can it.
Okay.
We're called Saint Hubert. Well, you gotta have a right poutine sauce, right?
Yeah.
And real curds.
Real
There's
curds?
a PEI poutine thing going on here where they're just using this cheddar and mozzarella
Man,
cheese. Not the real deal.
Did you ever go to Gillis's?
No.
It's just there, man. They just shred cheese on gravy. It's disgusting.
My house.
Like I almost gave it back when they gave it to me. I was
some curds.
Yeah, I was like, what is
Give me
this? I can judge your cheese.
Grab some squeaky cheese.
Make sure it squeaks. Some?
I'm good.
Pass it on the squeaky cheese.
Is it squeaky?
That was squeaking.
Try fried cheese curds.
I'm not.
You should try that.
Can we whip some up
We
right
can
now?
whip it up, yeah.
Look
Oh
at this.
my goodness.
Look at this. Yeah,
Sauce on
yeah, I'll
the
mix some
sweet
Nashville
cheese.
hot sauce in there.
A little dust.
Little dust.
Not the kind you get at Gillis's.
Yeah.
It's
You gotta try
melty.
one.
I am, man.
Yeah. This guy
You
doesn't like.
allergic to cheese?
No, he just doesn't like it.
Lactose. Don't like anything.
Don't like it.
If
What
you
do
guys
you
have
eat?
chicken
Oh,
nuggets,
I like it.
Uh-huh.
if you guys have chicken nuggets, he'll eat it.
Chicken nuggets. We can do that.
We
You guys?
can make some chicken nuggets for you. But it's real chicken. It's none of that pressed
Oh
McDonald's
my
stuff.
goodness.
Real cluck.
I'm just getting beaked. Left, right, and center.
We want to see the whole show. Isaac,
whole
that looks like your house, Isaac. Isaac, this is for the video, buddy. You gotta do it.
Video has to be done.
You're gonna do
We're
it?
on, boys.
We don't want the trip to be ruined. If Isaac wasn't here, we wouldn't be here, guys.
No?
Let's go look at the fries.
We gotta get the chicken.
So these
Kitchen
are
talk.
these Cavendish fries.
They are Cavendish fries.
Cavendish fries, not a sponsor. So that's like an incubator?
Yes. Yeah, we hatch our eggs here.
Okay. Is there actually eggs here though?
Yes. We do
Really?
have eggs.
Like egg burgers? No
Well,
egg
make
burgers.
Put an egg on
We do
anything.
anything.
Anything here.
Anything.
You guys do special requests?
We can.
Like for any customer or
Sure.
just for us?
Well, no, you're not that special.
Okay.
They get a little gold crisp to them. They're
Yeah.
just about there. See, they're floating now, so
Yeah.
you can go ahead and bring them up.
Okay.
And you gotta put them on the thing.
So I shake it like.
Yeah, and then put it down.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Oh,
Then you want to flip it into the bowl.
This is tricky.
This
You
is,
need skill
if you
here.
can do this, you
Try
can
not
cook
to make a
here.
mess.
There you
Boom.
go.
There you go. Should
Now
we
you
have a
need to
little
be
salt
Salt Bay, and just a pinch.
over there? Little shake.
There you go. That's how you make the fries.
You guys want my application?
All right. Nice and crispy.
Boys, this looks too good.
Little Nashville hot sauce. You want to chop the bacon? Are you on training today or what?
Yeah, we're on training. Do we gotta wash our hands first?
You should wash your hands.
Okay.
Ideal. 25 gallons pressure.
He's never done this before.
Never wash your hands.
He's never.
You want to know the trick? You want to start?
Oh. There you go.
Yes.
Two
Keep
hands,
going.
Isaac.
Two hands. Get in there.
One hand.
Boom.
I'm like a chef.
Listen to
now.
the crisp.
Come on, Jeremy, want to take a swig at this?
Yeah. A swig. A swig.
I don't know,
I'm
man.
just gonna drink this bacon.
Yeah, man. Oh, is that an island boy out there? Oh my goodness.
There's a bunch of them.
Sprinkle that now. Right over the top.
You know the sprinkle, Jeremy?
Yeah, you got this.
Boom. Oh, I made a mess. Sorry. It's
You
all
can
you.
handle this probably. You got it? I'll hold this for you.
Isaac.
Don't spill the
Look at
hot
Isaac
gravy
go.
on me.
Isaac, buddy. Isaac.
Oh my goodness.
How much gravy? That's
A
probably
little.
good.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, that's good.
Feel confident?
Yeah, we're
Oh,
confident.
All right. Do you eat with your hands, or would you prefer to have a fork?
Well, I'm a gentleman, so
Oh,
I eat with my hands. What?
So I eat with my hands. Get in there. He seems a little bit more of like a gentleman.
No, we gotta get everything.
You got to try one of those curds.
Oh my
All right, Isaac, same time, buddy.
Say some words.
Boom.
Cheers.
Steam. Taste buds and you just burn off.
Squeaky? Hot?
I don't like much, boys. That was pretty good.
This is really good, boys. Is this our thing now?
This is the Island Boy poutine.
Is it?
Maybe.
I'd be down for that.
Yeah?
All right,
Hey,
boys.
cameraman, you want to get in here?
There's lots of forks.
Oh wait, we'll just use these ones. We don't want to kill the planet.
Okay.
Cameraman's trying to come out there, I guess.
Oh, the cameraman, Jimmy.
Getting in.
That's it.
Doug just got back from picking the potatoes.
Oh my
You're picking
goodness.
potatoes?
I almost cut my finger trying to cut them all, you know.
Oh, boys.
Jared?
That's
Is it good, Jared?
unreal, boys.
Oh,
Buddy. Andrew, buddy, here you go.
See, that is not dust. You already had one, but okay.
Spoon fed, buddy.
See, he can't have a food truck. He does not fit in any food truck.
Oh, that cheese though.
To be honest, I don't like gravy, but this made me like gravy, boys.
Well, it's their homemade gravy, so
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's so good.
props to the chefs.
You're just eating now?
Now we're just eating.
Like,
Can we do something with chicken since this guy,
You
he
gotta try
loves.
the chicken. Hey, have
Yeah.
you tried the hot chicken?
Not yet.
Oh, you gotta try it. The hot
I try the
chickens.
hot chicken.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, I'll cut the buns.
Alright.
You want the,
Hi, how are you? Isaac just learned how to use a knife.
Yeah.
oh,
First time.
Yeah, poor guy.
slide these in up top there,
Oh,
just in this fridge.
Cavendish fries?
Like
Yeah.
that?
do you
No,
look
no, these are just Cavendish wops.
Oh, Cavendish fries. I didn't see that.
Nice
Okay.
night.
Oh yeah,
Late night, go to 3
Saturday
a.m.
night. All right, boys. So I've cut many buns. I think. Is this how you do it?
Yeah, just gotta make sure you don't cut your fingers. There you go.
Boom.
Freshest bun.
Alright.
Okay, just peek in there. It's not floating yet.
Not floating.
That one takes
If
a
it's not
while.
floating, it's not ready.
The chicken crunch.
This is the Thunder Crunch.
Okay.
Thunder. Feel the thunder.
You guys didn't steal that name from KFC, did you?
No.
It's not copyrighted?
Why,
Yeah.
they're using that name?
Some with crunch. I don't know.
We're gonna have to take them to court, then they copied us. I can't believe it.
Right, so normally we go with the lettuce, tomato, mayo, and pickle. How do you feel about those things?
I feel like pieces now. I see.
I said no veggies. No veggies.
No
Isaac,
sauces,
How many
no
vegetables
veggies,
do you want,
that's
Isaac?
What?
You'll have a bite though, right?
I gotta.
All right.
Thanks,
Yeah,
Mike.
we'll take all
What,
that.
what do you normally eat?
Chicken.
Just
Just chicken.
All right, let's get your lettuce, tomato, and pickle ready.
Where? In there.
Guess.
Guess.
Great
Oh.
guess. Fridge.
The fridge.
The fridge.
Every morning.
Sliced tomatoes. You like tomato?
I do.
A couple pieces. Get your greens in for the day. Some pickles.
I don't chop the lettuce, no? Okay. I've never done this.
Put it on. You can give that a little chop down the middle.
Boom.
Come on over, take a peek. Jenna's got her thermometer there.
Is it sick?
We gotta make sure. Make sure it doesn't make you sick.
It's not ready yet.
Well, we just usually guess it, and then if we eat it and die, then whatever. Boys.
You want-
A happy face?
There we go. Really, so
He's happy I'm gonna eat him. This guy's rattled.
That's a frowny
Yeah,
face.
Down.
like that? Or
Upside
like,
down.
boom.
The other upside down. Whatever you like.
Yeah, we'll mix it up.
Yeah. And
Double.
then we usually put the pickle on the top.
Pickle.
Yeah.
Just in half.
We're just dressed in half. Isaac wants his naked. Not dressed.
Yeah. I like it naked.
Moving on.
Moving on over. The half
right.
dress.
He'll do
You're
it.
doing it?
It's alright.
Boom. The big draw.
I ate a ghost pepper. This is nothing.
You were crying when you ate the ghost pepper.
I'm sensitive. It's looking mighty dark.
Yeah.
Boys, does that not look amazing?
We're going. Yeah.
Look at that cross section, boys.
Oh my goodness, the tomatoes just eyeing me up.
Isaac bowl, look at
Oh my
that.
goodness.
Look at
Oh my
Fancy
goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Hot. It's hot. Just came out, guys. It's wrong, spicy?
Crunch. Oh, that pickle. Mm.
It's good.
Oh, yeah.
A little messy, eh?
Just-
Messy, eh?
just-
Messy, eh?
Just a little bit. Oh, I can taste the spice on this. Jared's out. What's he laughing at?
You'll see.
Oh, okay.
Give me that camera, you're going in for this.
How do you like it?
Tomatoes,
Good,
yeah,
man. Go back.
That's the famous chicken.
Popular.
You munched the
This guy
whole
ain't
thing
going
down.
Didn't mind it? Not bad, eh?
I think he needs like 3
Not
of them.
bad.
How's it
This
there?
guy-
Those licenses are
You can sweep the floor before you leave.
You can't not try it.
Boys,
There you
go
go.
for it.
Last bite. Get in there.
Both
Get
of
it.
them.
No way.
One bite. You can do it.
One bite.
All in, all in.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
we'll save a little crust. Initial reaction. Pretty good.
Feel that
Unreal.
crunch?
Boys,
Feel that
Little
tomato
crunch, little spice.
Yeah. All right.
that was amazing.
Good.
So, we're gonna do that prank, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, we're gonna do a little prank later. It's gonna be funny.
All right, Isaac, buddy, what are we doing?
We're gonna get some people to watch our food, and then someone's probably gonna take a bite of it, man.
Where'd you get this delicious food there, buddy?
Streets.
What?
Street
The best food truck on PEI, eh?
Street Eats.
Friggin' right, bro.
Street Eats.
What do you
Go
think?
check it out.
Street Eats?
It's unreal. 10 out of 10. Would
Amazing, eh?
recommend. It's unreal, buddy.
Amazing.
Man,
Andre the
guy
Giant, what do you
loves
say?
it.
it's a solid.
He ate like the whole food truck, but like
Yeah.
he liked it.
It's pretty good.
Pretty cool.
Pretty good.
If you want to grow as tall as that guy, just go eat there.
Yeah, true, boys.
Milk does nothing.
Excuse me. Could you watch my food while I go to the bathroom? Could you watch my food while I go to the bathroom real quick? I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just be right back. Thank you.
The guy got it.
What? You took a bite out of it?
He was wearing the same shirt.
What? You took a bite out of it?
No, no, no. The guy
What guy? Like, I don't mind. Like, if you took a bite, it's cool.
is not mine.
You didn't take a bite? Well, you already took one bite, so you might as well take another, right? What?
It's not me.
You didn't take the bite? Who took the bite? Like, where'd he go? I don't know. What, I'm gonna have to report this to the police or something. He took a bite.
That was not me.
Thanks for taking a bite.
No.
I'm disappointed.
Excuse me. Yeah. Can you watch my food there while I go to wash them? It's the food from Street Eats, the best food truck in town.
Might not be here when you get back, but
No?
I'm just kidding.
It better be here. Eh? Right back. I won't be here. I thought you were joking. Why is it not here? What?
What do you got?
Who stole it?
Your friend ran that way.
Some douche? You sure you didn't eat it? You said you...
Did not eat it, I promise you that.
Oh, it's kind of weird because you were like, it might not be here. Now it's not.
Really not.
Okay, well,
Yeah, he's probably hanging right around the
he ran that way.
Yeah, he did run that way.
Okay, I'll probably go buy some more from Street Eats. Go try the food truck. It's really good. Well, it was good before you ate it.